What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Jasmine, and I'm back with another video.
I think that I'm done tripping, I've been sipping, that's how I control this feeling.
I got my two little nephews, whatever, with me, and
No,
they,
I know.
I'm doing, Zay, be quiet. I'm doing roasting people on the monkey app, and I cannot roast people for nothing, bro. That's why I got them, because they be roasting people so hard. Like, I cannot come for people, I just don't know how to roast people. So they're gonna help me roast people. Alright, so let's just get into the video. One, go. So basically, we're gonna try this again because it didn't work. The screen recording didn't work.
Oh!
Alright, we just gotta roast people. This is gonna be
people.
Zay, please be quiet. Zay, a little bit. Zay, please be quiet a little bit. Alright, let's get it. Guys, you ready?
Yeah.
Are y'all ready? Joseph, you might be Caucasian. I'm gonna skip him because I don't want him. I'm scared. Manu. Alright, so should I guess him first? What's good?
Y'all just lied.
At time.
No, I'm going to
At time. Bro, you kind of.
Shut up, you little.
Well, he said she pretty, but she could be a rapist. What is he talking about? Okay, next person we're gonna roast, Christian. Y'all gotta help me.
Yeah.
What's good?
You smell like poop, dude. You smell like poop. You smell like sweaty panty, dude.
Stop, Zayden. Zayden, stop. My bad. He made me nervous because he was actually cute though. He was actually cute though.
Stop doing it so early.
So I gotta guess and be like, wait, I'm gonna just come with them too. I'm
that was awesome.
I'm just tell the boys that you ugly. I'm be like, oh, you ugly.
And then I'm gonna say, you smell like.
Hey. Bro, you ugly.
Bro, I can't even see you, boy. Bro, you are so ugly. You don't even need a costume. You already is a costume, bro.
He said big forehead.
No, I'm gonna say, you live in the sewer, dude. You a Ninja Turtle, dude.
You live in the sewer, dude.
I say you so dark.
Zay, look at Zay's waves. Look at Zay's waves. What's good, Zay? Boy, you kind of ugly.
Bro, I'm coming at you, boy.
We really about to come at you, boy.
I'm coming at your neck.
Boy, you trying to show off your waves so hard, bro.
I don't have to break this tree.
He was like,
They boring. He was trying to show off his waves, that's
why
why.
don't you add someone?
Cause I don't want to talk to him. If I'm coming at people, I don't want to talk. Fine, if I add time, you gonna come at him the whole time?
Yep.
Okay. Oh, this is making me nervous, yo.
That bunny hop though.
I'm scared.
Why does everybody like you?
Sit right here.
Where?
They got me in the video. Right here. There.
Why does everybody like you so much?
They
I'm
don't.
just staying this one.
Carter. Oh, he probably a little cute little innocent boy. Oh, he skipped me. Everybody's skipping me. That's crazy. Malik. All right, y'all gotta roast them. Come on.
I'm not fake. You smell like he's fat, bro. I'm coming at him, bro.
He probably gonna skip me too.
Skip.
Yo, we got 1 point.
Gosh, y'all
Stop
boring
throwing, bro.
over
We
here.
got 1 point. Wait, it's not a
For Mel.
1v4.
Oh, he was in the army.
It's not a 1v4.
Remember?
Because it said we reached
Yeah.
top 3.
He was in the army.
He gonna skip me too.
Why
That means there's two
is
other
it
teams.
he's 20 years old?
Everybody's skipping me.
Cause they
Jumani, 20, from United States. What's good?
Yo, what?
Bro, I'm coming at your mustache, boy. I'm coming at your
I
mustache.
left.
You hide pickles in your tongue. You be saving it for later. I speak in India. Now I got this. No, bro. I got to get this.
Corey. Now we got Corey on the screen. Let's get him. Let's roast them, guys. Let's roast them.
He skipped you.
I know they skipping me. I think they know I'm about to roast them. That's why they skipping me.
Ooh, me, Kyle. I think he fat.
What's good, Kyle? Oh, thank you.
No, bro, you ain't like boy. I'm coming at your neck. I wear a black hoodie, bro. Look at your eyebrows. They make it. They look like
I'm sorry.
caterpillars.
He was nice to
We
us.
all did.
Yo, they really be coming crazy, yo. I don't know how to come crazy at people like that.
Yeah.
Hey, we about to make the video.
But they be teaching me how to come crazy. That's the thing. Daryl Slime. What's good?
Shut up, Daryl Slime.
Oh, you dark. Why you so dark?
You live in the sewer like I live my father. I'm homeless. Oh, I'm coming at you, boy. Your eyebrows looking like caterpillars, boy. Little boy. Bro, your chin doing the cha-cha slide.
They out of pocket. They out of pocket.
No, your hairline doing I'm the goofy goovers. We are goofy goovers.
What?
What'd you say?
But I know y'all heard
They just.
Bro, your barber when he was cutting your hair, that dude was doing an orange justice.
No, we doing a YouTube video, so we ain't mean none of that. They was just talking.
My bad, young boy. Young fool. Boy.
Yeah, we doing a YouTube video. Huh?
Are you so
They need to be quiet. What'd you say?
Yes, we're in a regular game.
This girl wearing a wig.
Now you exposing me. Zayda.
No.
He left.
Yo, this video gonna go viral because Zayda is funny. All right, Marquise. Hey, Marquise.
Marquise, you need to shut up.
Oh, he exited
too early.
He exited me.
Stop doing it so early. What? And then really going to be.
He's 20 from Florida, Charleston. They keep skipping me. I don't know what's the problem.
I'm gonna go.
Zareen 20.
Why is everybody?
Hey, what's good? Let me see your face. Let me see your face.
Oh, bro, you still live with your mother, bro. You got a black chocolate bar, bro. Your chin doing a cha-cha slide. He said his chin doing a cha-cha slide, boy. I got more jokes coming.
Yo, how do you teach me how to roast people? Like what should I do? Like what should I
think?
What's good?
Your mind is
Here,
just
take this.
What's up, bro? You good at Fortnite? How old are you, bro?
Add time, bro. Go ahead.
Bro,
Roast.
how old is you, bro? I got something, bro. But your curls doing a crip walk. Your curls doing
He said your curls doing a crip walk. I don't know what that means, but
No.
he's trying to come for you, bro. He's trying to come for you, bro.
Bro, at lunch you be selling erasers 50 cents, bro.
Somebody trying to raise.
Oh,
Never mind.
your hairline doing a cha-cha slide.
So nah. But let me see your other person. Where the other person at? Where the other person on the screen? Oh!
Y'all need help down here?
Ooh, bro, you got a gap in the middle of the TV. You got the bobblehead baby. Ooh, get on you, boy. I'm about to get on you. It look like you play. Bro, it look like you.
Is somebody coming?
He said, watch him out.
Bro, it look like you playing 2K11, bro. You still play 2K11, boy. You still with your mom. You need to shut up. I'm about to say, are you ugly, bro?
But why did they get so into the video? They be really roasting people. Oh, he look mean. Case. Oh, that's a girl. Oh, I can't roast her.
Nah, bro, I'm roasting.
All right, I'm just put you on here because I can't do that. They be getting attitudes. Oh, she skipped me.
Don't watch out.
You stupid little bum.
Ozzy, he's 23 from Pennsylvania.
Oh my God, you said turkey on your picture.
What?
On your picture, that shit was.
He just pickaxed me to death.
What? Come at you. I'm about to come out your neck. You get hand nappy, boy. You use an Indian towel for a band-aid. I'm coming at you, boy. No. You.
He said my picture look like a turkey. What does that mean?
That means he say.
What does that mean? That means I'm ugly.
Cute.
Oh.
That's what he's trying to say.
Oh, so two people chat. All right, let's roast. All right, go ahead, Derek. Go ahead, do your thing, bro.
Bro, what's up, bro? Bro, what type of wave cap you wearing, bro? Shut you ugly little bum. You are dead.
Zayda, you can't say that. You can't say.
Those people.
You can't say that word. That's not a good word.
Jack, you can't post that.
Yeah, you can't. I'm gonna block that out. But you can't say that to Zayden. That's a racist word.
I swear you go wave. I swear.
What's good, What's your name, Javon? Javon.
But why your chin so muscular, bro? Bro, you look like Mr. Clean, bro. Come on, you know, look at your jawline, bro. You look like a goofy goober dad.
They don't want to talk to me right now. They being boring, bro. I'm gonna do a couple more because I don't like roasting people.
That video.
What's good?
Hi, go over there.
What's up, boy?
What's up?
Bro, you got a whole girl, bro. What you wearing over your head, bro? I'm coming at you, boy. You wear socks for socks for gloves. Shut up, boy.
Alright, I need to start adding time in the beginning so they can really feel the full effect. Alright, I'm gonna add time on this one. Should this be the last one? Alright, he skipped me. Alright, this is gonna be the, wait, Zayden, y'all not in the frame. Ooh. Daddy, we're filming. Alright, so this is the last one.
Last one
They're
I'm about to
roasting
roast.
people.
Rom Bomb.
Very bad YouTube video.
No, it's not. What's good, Rom Bomb? Add time. Add time. Add time.
Bro, I'm coming at you, boy. Bro, you got a dirty drumstick, boy. No, boy.
They exited. They don't like the hate. They don't like the hate. All right, y'all. This is gonna be the end of the video. If y'all want a part 2 of me just roasting them like myself, because I don't know how to roast people.
This was part 2. She skipped it. The video. See you
Alright,
next
so
time.
if y'all want to see more videos with them because they mad funny, let me know because like they don't be here a lot, but when they come down, I'll hit y'all up. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. I'm gonna do more monkey videos. This one was kind of like short, but I couldn't do it. I can't do it. I can't be doing it. Alright, see you in my next video. Like, comment, and subscribe for more videos, and I'll see you later. Deuces.
And we drinking water, little.
Hey, get it, boy. Get it, boy. Get it, boy. Hey, get it, boy.